Number 1 states that Justin can type W words per minute. Melvin can type 4 times as many words as Justin. Write an expression that represents how fast Melvin can type. So he can type 4 times as fast as Justin. We can either write it like this, or we can rearrange it so it says 4W. Number 2. Number 2 says, Johanna swam Y yards yesterday. Shaylin swam 5 yards less than half the amount of yards that Johanna swam. So if it's 5 yards less than half, we first want to split this into 2 equal parts to get half of it, and then we want to subtract 5. Order of operations tell us to do this part first, so it doesn't need parentheses, but it wouldn't be wrong to have them there. So first split it in half, and then subtract 5. Number 3. 3 says a number D is decreased by 5. Decreased means to subtract. So decreased by 5 is subtract 5. And then it's doubled. If we want to say times 2, that would tell order of operations to do this piece first. But first they reduced it by 5, or it has decreased it by 5. So we want parentheses around that piece. Another way that you could write this is D minus 5 with the 2 in front. That also doubles what's inside the parentheses. Number 4. Number 4 says Nahom had N baseball cards and Samir had S baseball cards. So N and S. They combined them. Combining means adding. They combined their baseball cards and then sold 10 of them. So first they combined it and then they sold 10. Order of operations says go from left to right when you have addition and subtraction. So this is already correct. But just to be safe, you can add parentheses around those to say first they combined them and then they sold 10. All right, last, number 5. Number 5 says the sum of 25 and H. The word sum indicates addition. So 25 plus H, and that is divided by F cubed. F cubed has a 3 on it. Order of operations would tell us to divide first, but ours told us to find the sum, so we need parentheses around it. So we find the sum first and then divide by F cubed. Another way you could write this is 25 plus F, or plus H, for the sum, and then divide that by F cubed. This one doesn't need parentheses because the numerator is already grouped as its own piece.